Hello everybody. Today's lesson you will know what is honest. The story today is about the dog who waited and never stopped waiting. Every morning when the sun barely touched the streets, a small dog walked beside his owner. They walked the same road. They passed the same trees. They stopped at the same place. The place was the train station. The man would bend down, smile and touch the dogs. "Wait for me," he would say, and the dog would look up with eyes full of trust. The train doors closed. The man disappeared into the crowd, but the dog stayed. He sat near the gate. He waited for the footstep he knew so well. Hours passed. People came and went, but the footsteps never came back that day. The sky turned orange, then dark. The station lights turned on. Still the dog waited. The next morning, he came back. He sat in the same place. He waited again. One day became many days. Many days become many weeks. Weeks become years. The man never returned, but the dog did. In the cool winter, the dog's paw shook. Snow touched his foot. People passed him and whispered, "Why is he always here?" Some was kind. They brought water. They shared food. They patted his head. But kindness could not replace the one heart he waited for. The dog did not understand that. He only understood love. Every evening, when the last train arrived, he stood up. His tail moved a little. Hope rose in his eyes. And every evening, hope fell back into silence. Years went by. The dog grew older. His steps became slow. His eyes became tired. But still, he came to the station. Still, he waited. Sometimes he lay down on the cool ground. Sometimes rain fell on his face. But he never left the place where he last saw the one he loved. One cold evening, the dog did not stand up anymore. He lay near the gate, the same gate he had waited by for years. The little dog had waited his whole life, and his heart was still waiting when his body became tired. Today people remember the loyal dog, not because he was famous, but because he showed the world how deep love can be. If someone waits for you, don't forget them, because some hearts wait forever, even when the world moves on.